Today I'm sharing with you how I make this amazing side dish recipe that's very easy to make, corned beef or vegetable stir fry, and I hope you're going to give it a try because it turned out delicious. Let's get started. To my saucepan, I added in olive oil, chopped onion, crushed garlic, grated ginger, and chopped habanero pepper. I'll let this steam for at least from 2 to 4 minutes. You want it to soften up before going in with your sausage. So once the sausage is added, let it cook for at least from 2 to 4 minutes again before going in with your tomato paste. So the tomato paste is just to give it a color. Don't use that much. I used about a teaspoon and that was fine. So after I added in my vegetables, which is carrot, cabbage, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. Va bene, arrivo.
Andiamo stanca.
No, dopo. So stir it and make sure everything is well combined before going in with your cabbage. Make sure everything has come together and go in with your seasoning. So I use curry, not that much, and Maggi sauce. I added in salt, stirred it well combined, and then I covered it. I let this cook for at least 5 minutes. You do not want to overcook it, and don't add in any water because the vapor, when you close it, the vapor is going to help cook the veggies. At least you still want some crunchiness from the veggies, so you do not want to overcook it. Now after 5 minutes, go ahead and add in your corned beef and you're good to go. That's very easy, very easy. It's served as a side dish, so it's easy and it's vegetables, so you do not want to overcook it, and it turns out delicious as well. Just look at this, guys. I still want some chunks of corned beef in the sauce, in the vegetables, so I didn't stir it that much. Once you've added in your corned beef, just give it a quick stir, let it cook for about 2 minutes more, and this is ready. So as you can tell, it's very simple, so easy and delicious as well. Once done, go ahead and serve this amazing recipe with any kind of food. You can serve this with cooked yam, potatoes, plantain, rice, jollof, and you're good to go, guys. Very easy and it was delicious. Please try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you all, stay blessed.